To move forward, I would now request the country head of JS Bank, Mr. Imran Bhamani Saab, sir, to please grace the stage and speak your heart out on this PNY conference 2025. आपकी भरपूर तालियां चाहिए, ladies and gentlemen. One thing, sir, I would say, Imran Saab, a very smiling personality, sir, or keep shining and keep smiling, sir. Over to you, sir.
Assalamualaikum everybody जी, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I can see this vibrant youth sitting there in front of us today और बहुत सारे लोग बाहर भी हैं जो कार्निवल enjoy कर रहे हैं, पीछे भी हैं. So welcome you all today. मेरा नाम इमरान भमानी है. I head the transaction banking, which is part of corporate banking and institutional banking with JS Bank, and we are the proud sponsors today of today's event. Not to just say that we have given the money, but yes, I can see and I always want to appreciate and thank the organizers, and I can already see this conference as success, although this is just the first or the second speech. But I'll tell you why I can feel it, because Wahab Saab is all around the place, and I think he deserves a big round of applause for organizing today. He's not just sitting, and this is what we need. This is kind of the enthusiasm, this is kind of the energy that we need in the whole youth of Pakistan. And of course, today's topic, I've chosen the vision of Pakistan's youth, and I'll just like to start 1 minute. I would like to say that I'm glad to be back. I was away from Pakistan for the last 10 years, और जिस तरह से अभी बात हो रही थी, I was inspired to see and hear that we don't want that anymore, our youth to go out of Pakistan. Although I did go for brighter future, but now when I come back, I am happy and to see and to guide the youth. And of course, the grass is always greener on the other side, and it's literally true. I've experienced this working in the GCC in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Qatar, etc. And there is the energy there is just about making money, but here in Pakistan, the energy is about doing something great for Pakistan and promoting our youth. So welcome again. I'll just like to talk a few minutes, nothing much. Let's talk about technology and innovation. Everybody talks about artificial intelligence. Throughout the world, if you see how we're using technology and how youth can be empowered using that, AI is now helping farmers predict weather patterns. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing supply chains, enabling transparencies, and Pakistan maybe you see green energy solutions already here, like solar panels, wind turbines are helping communities. And of course, across the world, space technologies is growing. Countries are exploring beyond our planet. Satellites can be used for climate change and better internet connectivity. I also saw a few weeks back that Starlink, जो कि Elon Musk का एक इदारा है, it's come to Pakistan and for better internet connectivity. Of course, इसमें बहुत सारे factors हैं why we don't have that kind of faster connectivities here, but I'm sure we are improving. In the Pakistan context, अगर आप बात करें तो education technology platforms आ चुके हैं, health technology platforms आ चुके हैं, agri-tech technologies platforms आ चुके हैं. I think there's so many startups here today. There's so many CEOs today, so many CXOs today, COOs, people who are really making a difference. And you see 60% of the Pakistan's population is under 30, and that is a big advantage for us. Of course, we want to go leaders, and so key idea today is the youth of future leaders, innovators and builders of Pakistan. Some global examples that I've already given you, examples of blockchain, AI, green energy solutions, and in Pakistan, the education technology solutions, health tech and agri-tech. आगे बात करेंगे future technologies. And of course, you're all on social media. You know how AI is helping healthcare. So AI systems can diagnose diseases like diabetes, cancer, education, etc. Adaptive learning platforms for education, how students learn through the education technology platforms. AI has been used in urban planning, which can help traffic congestion in cities like Karachi or Lahore and analyze traffic patterns and suggest smarter infrastructures. But the question is what you can do. What you can do here is learn data sciences, learn coding, and of course there are a lot of courses online, and I see a lot of youth now going towards that, doing the courses and learning about these things. देखिए, learn करने से आपको कोई भी नहीं रोक सकता. सिर्फ जो रोक सकता है वो आप अपने आप को खुद को रोक सकते हैं. Now, if you imagine youth-led startups designing affordable solar power systems of rural villages, engineers developing small-scale wind turbines for use in coastal areas. The transition to renewable energy is not just about protecting the planet, it's about creating jobs, lowering energy costs, and building a sustainable economy. We talk about blockchain a lot. Where can it be actually used? It can be used in provide tamper-proof digital records of land ownerships, जो कि हमारे यहाँ बहुत ज़रूरत है, especially in Punjab and Sindh, where we don't have proper land records. Supply chain management की हम बात करते हैं, so it can track the movement of goods, ensuring transparency in everything from food production and pharmaceuticals. We almost again Internet of Things की बात चल रही है. How do the devices are connected, and we enable communication with each other. Thinking of smart homes, imagine that your fridge would remind you to buy groceries, or smart cities where waste collection trucks are dispatched only when the bins are full. So again, Pakistan IoT has been revolutionizing agriculture, where sensored could monitor soil health, healthcare where wearables devices could alert doctors in real time about patient welfare. And again, your role to be in that is get these IoT kits available online and experiment with them. Again, so about JS Banks, of course, the way JS Bank empowers youth, we've got all kinds of digital products. We've got the Zindagi app, we've got the JS Bank's own app, which the people use for financial inclusion. We provide corporate payroll solutions. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे CSOs और CXOs हैं जिनको problems होती हैं because their employees cannot go to the branches. We provide those solutions on their doorsteps, right? So, okay, the slides are not working. That's absolutely fine. Employee banking payroll solutions, whether you have 10 employees or whether you have 50 employees, we come to your home, to your office, and we give those kinds of services जो कोई banks नहीं देते, especially free debit cards, free services, so that your youth, your company employees' youth get empowered to do banking seamlessly. We also have transaction banking, cash management solutions where we help the corporates receive their payments. बहुत सारे startups को problems होती हैं to receive their payments from abroad, right? They can't receive their payments from other countries. We help freelancers. We help companies receive their payments from online modes from across Pakistan and across the world, and also manage the payments. Again, the payments should be seamless. The payments from your mobile wallets, from your mobile applications should be straight through going to the vendors. So there are no differences. There are no differences in reconciliation. There are no differences in the payments that you make and the payments the person is asking for. So JS Bank has a complete solution. And I'll just I'll just quickly wrap it up. I know that State Bank of Pakistan has played a very important role in these funds transfers using the Rast connectivity. I'm sure you all know about it. Now the payments have become instant. Banks had their own platform to do that. It was called OneLink. Now it's Rast. The banks are ensuring to help the State Bank and then grow the digital Pakistan by offering all these services. And as a last thought, I would just like to say, the future doesn't arrive on its own. We must create it. Each of one has the power to shape a better, brighter Pakistan here. So dream big, act boldly, and believe in your potential. And together, let's embrace innovation, solve the challenges. Thank you very, very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you very much, Arfan.